Hey folks, this is Shakaama. You might not know this, but I was at a crossroads in college and I was told that I should go into science and go to med school and become a doctor. But then they laid out how many years it would be before I would have just, at the age I am now, just become a doctor now to actually be called a doctor, right? But because of all that, I kept abreast of medicine, but I also kept abreast of nutrition, which doctors do not have knowledge of. Med school has 1 day of nutrition. That's it. 3 years of med school, 1 day of nutrition. They know absolutely nothing about nutrition. I wanted to make this video because there have been some severe changes from the CDC, and I want to invite everybody to go to the CDC and look at all of the changes in their policies that they have been making over the past 2 years. And they have completely reversed all of their stances. I want to invite you. I'm not going to tell you anything because, the YouTube will put stuff on here or say I said something and try and cancel me. I want to invite you to go to the CDC website and look for yourself. And if anybody, your doctor or anybody else, tells you something, you can point to the CDC and say, this is the current state of medical science. This is what the CDC says. All right. Thank you for watching.